ニコニニコニコニニコニコニ。
Good morning, Miko from room service. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to order food for breakfast.
May I confirm your name and your room number, sir?
This is Clint Jumer from 503.
Alright, Sir Clint. Can I get your order now?
I would like to order one beef steak. For the drinks is Coke.
Is there anything would you like to add the order, sir?
No, thank you.
Bihar na ay.
May I repeat your order, sir? One beef steak, and for your drinks is Coke.
Yes, that's correct. How much would that cost?
Certainly, sir. It would be cost $1,000. In what way would you like to pay your bill, sir?
Can you charge it to my account, please?
Okay, sir. Your order will be there in 25 minutes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you for choosing Yunzon's Hotel. Thank you and enjoy. Good morning, room service. Good morning, room service. Good morning, sir. My name is Nico Gilzon. I am your room service crew. May I come in?
Yes.
Here's your order, sir. Enjoy your breakfast. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.